Saab 9.3 windscreen washer pump replacement. A common failure? Follow me through, let me show you how. First of all, do check that it's not the fuse that's blown. In the engine bay fuse compartment, the front washers are fuse F22, and as you heard there, I'm okay for continuity on that fuse. F12 is for the rear washers on an estate, and F15 is the headlamp washers if you have them. Also check that the screen wash relay is working okay. That's this one here, relay 4. You could swap it with one of the others to be sure, but if you can get somebody to pull the stalk for you, you should hear it click. And this relay here is the wiper relay. Also be sure that it isn't just a pipe come loose from the washer jets themselves, which are on the bonnet behind the sound absorbing pad. I've done a separate video for how to remove those jets. I'll link to that down in the description and also up in the top right corner. Once you're satisfied it's not the fuse, park the car with the steering fully towards the right hand direction to give you plenty of room here. With an 8mm spanner or socket, undo these 3 screws holding the wheel arch liner. Then pull back the wheel arch liner, and there's the washer bottle and its pumps in all their glory. As you look at them now, from left to right, you've got the front windscreen pump, the rear screen pump and the headlamp pump. Place a bowl underneath, and then still holding the wheel arch liner back, pull the top of the pump, complete with connector, away from the bottle, and then waggle and pull the bottom of the pump out of the bottle. With the pump free of the bottle, press this tag at the top there to undo the electrical connection. Once you've got the pump disconnected, you can of course use a voltmeter or a test lamp on the connection terminals, and if you can get an assistant to pull the stalk for you and check that you're getting 12 volts when they do so, to confirm that it really is the pump and not a problem with the wiring between here and the relay. If you're getting value from this video, please like it down by the title, and to undo the pipe, give the union a waggle, make sure it's not seized on, press down on this catch, press firmly and press it as far down as you can, give it a waggle and it should come apart. You might want to do that with a pair of pliers or grips. The way the pump fits into the bottle is there's a rubber grommet, a top hat grommet, stuck into the bottle, and then the pump simply pushes into that grommet and then simply snaps up into a little feature that grips the top side of the pump. Put a very tiny smear of petroleum jelly round the pipe union and the union that goes into the bottle. Make sure that that clip has been pushed back up from whence it came, and it then push fits onto the outlet of the pump, and the connector will only go on one way round anyway. There's a little tag there that prevents you putting it on wrong. And to replace the pump, put the pump up against the clip feature, push into place. All you need to do now, put the screws back in, refill your washer bottle. If you got value out of this video and I've saved you some money or some hassle, I hope you'll consider supporting the channel, and I shall see you next time.